Hi, welcome to Spicy Beer Blog. This is Paul Crow here, the author of Spicy Beer Blog. And in this video we're going to look at how to add an image avatar, a default image avatar, to the comments left on your blog by anonymous users using the name URL format. And basically, if you look at my test blog here, I've gone in and left 3 comments on it. One comment I've left using my Blogger profile, which has gone and grabbed the avatar and used it beside my comment. And the other 2 I've left one anonymous and one using the name URL format. And both of those haven't been able to grab an avatar and so look quite bare. So we're going to show how you can basically have in these spaces a default image that you can choose. So I have a quick rundown of the post here before I publish it with the video, just showing you the steps. If you're watching this on YouTube or elsewhere, there'll be a link in the description to come back to this post to follow the steps, and obviously you can follow in the video as I do it on the test blog. Now the first thing I tell you to do is find an image. So you'll want to find an image that would work obviously with your comments, and that can be something got to do with what your blog is about. If you're a cookery blog, go and find an image that's got to do with cookery or something that'll look quite good in the comments. You can use something like Google image search to help find you an avatar, and just try and have it between around the 24 to 48 pixel size, just because that's around the size most of the comment forms display the avatar at. And if you do go to Google image search, a really quick way to find it, I'll just go in really quickly, let's just search for Blogger actually, is to use the options, the size options down on the left hand side. You can see here you can choose the size, any size, medium, icon, and you just click exactly and type in 24 by 24 and search. You will be returned a list of 24 by 24 size images, and you can use one of those. So that's just a quick way to find it. On Spicy Beer Blog, for my comments, I actually used the logo we have, which is the kind of paintbrush here that you see, the paintbrush image. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this to our test blog so we can see exactly how it's done. Okay, so the next step is to, in your Blogger dashboard, click Design and Edit HTML. So let's go back to our test blog. As I'm on the blog, I'll just click Design in the nav bar. You can click it from your dashboard. And over here we'll click Edit HTML to get to our HTML page. Okay, our next step is find the following piece of code in your blog's HTML. I say you can click Ctrl F for a search bar. I'll show you how that's done, and it helps you find the code really quickly. So we're going to copy find the piece of following code. So we're going to find or copy the code first. Go back to our test blog, and we're going to click and hold Ctrl and press F, and you'll see a search bar jump. And then we're going to click Ctrl V and paste that in there, and it jumps exactly to where we want where that piece of code is. And there it is. Okay, let's go back to the post, and it says copy and paste the following code directly above or before the closing skin tag, which you just found here. So to paste this piece of code above the code we just found, so let's copy this. There we have it copied. We want to place it above the code we found, which is this, and we just paste it in there. Step 5, replace avatar URL here with the URL for the avatar you picked and save your template. So if I go back, you'll see here it has avatar URL here. And once you have your image URL, you found the image you want to use, you place the image URL there. I have the URL for the image of the paintbrush logo that I use, so I'm just going to grab that really quick, paste it in there. That's the image URL in, and then save your template. And that's saved. So if we go back to our blog, let's open it in a new tab and click into the post, scroll to the comments, and there we go. You can see the anonymous comment and the name URL comment have both now got that default avatar. Now I have a second method in the post for adding it, which will probably be a little bit better for people not so sure with the HTML and code. And with the second method, I'm just going to remove this so we can see the second method being done. So that's gone now. And with the second method, you can add the code directly to your template designer. Okay, so let's refresh this page. Our comment avatars are gone once again. And let's go back and have a look at the second method. Okay. Method 2, and this is just really straightforward and quick because you can see exactly how it's done in the video. In your Blogger dashboard, click Design, Template Designer, Advanced, Add CSS, and paste the following code into the section provided. So I'm just going to grab the code once again. And I really just quickly go through those because if you're watching the video you can see how it's done. So once again we're going to click Design. And this time we're going to click the Template Designer link, which is here. And that will open up the Template Designer. On the left hand side we see Advanced. Now if you're using a custom Blogger template, a template you downloaded online, you mightn't see so many options. But if you're using a template like this, you can just scroll and it'll always be the very last option is Add CSS. So we're going to click that. You can see we get a field here. I already have a piece of CSS in there, but that doesn't matter. Let's just click inside that field, paste in the piece we found, or the piece we copied. We remember once again we have to replace avatar URL here with our image code. So I'm going to grab the image code once again. I'm going to paste it in. And then the top right hand side here, see Apply to Blog. Template's been applied. Let's view blog. Click into our post. Scroll to the comments. And once again, our anonymous comment and name URL comment have now got the avatar that's our default avatar. So that's how you can have an image. I think it's a quite simple way to have an image, a default image for anonymous and other comments. Okay, I hope that helps, and thanks for watching the video.